So if you look at this question number 4 here, how many terms of AP is given, are needed to give the sum of this? So what we have to do, what is A in this case? A is minus 6. What is D in this case? It's A2 minus A1. So it comes out to be minus 11 by 2 plus 6 is equal to 6 to the 12 minus it's 1 by 2, right? And what is Sn given here? Sn is given minus 25. So what we need to find in this question?
N.
How many terms? So n we need to find, right? So now let us apply the formula and note this question on your notebook and try to solve it. Apply this formula 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find out the sum. Put all the values and to get the answer. It's given minus 25 and we need to find a is minus 6 and we need to find and d is 1 by 2. So it's become minus 50 minus 12 and if I take the LCM it become minus 24 plus n minus 1 and these two goes on that side, so it become 100 on this side, right? So then we have obtained this n is multiplied 24 25, it become n square minus 25n plus 100. So now you have to factorize it by the splitting the middle term method. Factorize it. So ऐसे दो नंबर बताइए जिनको ऐड करके 100 आए, 25 आए और मल्टीप्लाई करके 100 आए. What are that two numbers? Anyone? Is the screen visible to you all? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Second, yes, sir.
What are the two numbers here?
20 and 5.
Yes, absolutely right. 20 and 5. So it can be written as 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0. So take n common. Take minus 5 common. So n minus 20 and n minus 5. So from here we have got n is equal to 20. And from here we have got n is equal to 5. So which is the right option? And 20 is the right option or n5 is the right option? So both are the right option here. So the answer in this case is, अगर आप 5 टर्म का सम करेंगे तब भी ये minus 25 ही आएगा if you add the 5 terms, or if you add the 25 terms, so then also in that case also it is minus 25, right? So I hope this question is clear to you all. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question number 5. In an AP, pth term is this, qth term is this. Prove that the sum of pq term is 1 by 2 pq where pq is not equal to 0. So let me write the given data. So pth term means it's given AP is 1 by q. Qth term means AQ is equal to 1 by P. And what we need to find? Sum of PQ term. So this thing we need to find. So what is the meaning of AP? AP can be written as nth term का formula लगाएंगे A plus P minus 1 into D. It can be written as 1 by Q. And from here it is A plus Q minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D का formula apply कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, right? And what is SPQ? SPQ is n by 2. N is here PQ. N by 2. 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So what we need to find it? So we need to find Sn is A we need and D we need. So let us use these equations to find A and D. So this, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let us find the value of A and D from equation 1 and 2. Now, so let us apply the elimination method. अगर इन पे elimination method लगाएं तो change the sign, minus minus minus, ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये बचेगा p माइनस 1 इंटू डी फ्रॉम 1 and 2, p minus 1 into d minus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by q minus 1 by p. So take d common. What is remaining here inside it? Remaining is p minus 1 minus q plus 1 is remaining, and here it is pq, and here it is p minus q. So this one cancel this one, right? So what is remaining here? It is p minus q is remaining, and p minus q upon pq. So this p minus q cancel this p minus q. So what is the value of d in this case is? D की वैल्यू आ गई है हमारे पास 1 upon pq. Now put the value of d in any of the equation, or equation 1 or equation 2. Then we have obtained from equation 1. So a plus p minus 1 into d को क्या पुट करें इक्वेशन 1 में, d को पुट कर देते हैं 1 upon pq, right, is equal to 1 upon q. Now let us solve it. a इस pq को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, it become 1 by q and it become 1 upon pq is equal to 1 by q, right. तो इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई किया तो p से p कैंसिल हो गया. So then this 1 by q cancel it, then the value of a is also 1 upon pq. So we have obtained the value of a and b from the given equation 1 and 2. Now let's find the Sn. तो यहाँ पे a और p की वैल्यू रख देते हैं, तो it's p by 2 to a को रख देते हैं 1 by pq. n की प्लेस पे ऑल्सो मुझे यहाँ पे रखना चाहिए pq, right, n is pq in this case. So it's pq minus 1 into 1 upon pq, right. So let us simplify it and get the answer. So what will be the answer in this case if I solve it? So it's pq by 2 and it's 2 by pq. Then if I multiply this inside with this pq and with this 1, it become 1 minus, और I can take pq LCM भी ले सकता हूँ मैं अंदर यहाँ पे. अगर मैं pq LCM ले लेता हूँ तो ऊपर बचेगा यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे बचेगा pq minus 1. So this pq cancel this pq and answer in this case is pq plus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer in this case. Okay, we have to prove it. So this is equal to, we need to prove sum is 1 by 2 pq plus 1. So yes, it's 1 by 2 pq plus 1. I hope this question is clear to you all. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question number 6 here. If the sum of a certain number of terms of AP is 116, find the last term. So last term we need to find. Let us write the given data here. First is A is 25. What is D in this case?
minus 3.
Yes, it's minus 3. Good. And Sn is given in this question is 116. And we need to find An. An हमें find करना है, last term. So let us use the formula for Sn is equal to n by 2. A 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is given 116, n हमें पता नहीं है, 2a is 25, n we do not know, and D is minus 3. So solve it and tell me the value of n in this case. Solve it on your notebook and try to find out the value of n. So we have obtained this quadratic equation. So we need to solve it. So after solving this quadratic equation, so how to solve it? So let us make the factors. So after adding, we need 53 और multiply करने के बाद 232 into 3. 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9 and 3 2 जा 6. What are the factors? Three to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. So it's 29 plus 24, right? 29 plus 24. So let us solve it. 3n square minus 29n minus 24 plus 232 is equal to 0. So take n common. It's 3n minus 29 and it's minus 24. 4 8 3 जा 24. 8 we have to take common here. So यहाँ से हमें मिला 3n minus 29 and n minus 8 equal to 0. Right. Now from here, what's the value of n? It's 29 by 3. N kabhi bhi, it cannot be in the decimal form. And from here we got n is equal to 8. So n is 8 in this case, right? So what we need to find? an हमें find करना है. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 8 n we select n equal to 8. So what is a in this case is a is 25. What is a? A is 25 and d is minus 3. So put the values here. A is 25, n is 8 and d is minus 3. So it's 25 minus 21. So the answer in this case is 4. So I hope this question is clear to you. How to find the nth term. This question number 7 here. Find the sum of some two n terms of the AP. Kth term is given this. So AK is given in the question 5k plus 1. So how to find A1? So k को 1 से replace कर दीजिए. Plus 1, it comes out to be 6. How to find A2? K को 2 से replace कर दिया मैंने. Plus 1. 5 2 जा 10 plus 1 11. So what is the common difference in this case? It's 11
5.
minus 6 5. So common difference is 5. So sum of n terms we need to find. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the value of n is not here, n is not known, n का नहीं पता हमें, तो we have to put only a and as it is in the question and d is 5. So it's n by 2 and 6 to the 12 minus 5 is 7 plus n. So this is the answer in this case, right? Now look at this question number 8. If the sum of n terms of an AP is this, where P and Q are the constant, find the common difference. So sum is given. Sn is given in this question. Sn is given Pn plus Qn square, right? We need to find out the common difference in this case. Common difference हमें find out करना है. So if I put S1, n को अगर मैं 1 रखूं तो it become P plus Q. If I put S1 on both the sides in this given expression, so it's 1 square. So it's P plus Q. S1. तो S1 का मतलब है पहली टर्म का सम किया है मैंने. तो S1 means, so S1, what is A1? So S1 means we have sum only the single term. So A1 is P plus Q. So from here I have obtained A1 is P plus Q. Now let us find S2. S2 means दो terms का sum, S2. So if we need to find S2, so we have to
A1 plus A2.
replace N को 2 से replace करना होगा, 2 and 2 square, right? It's P and it's Q here. So it's become 2P plus 4Q, right? So what is the meaning of S2? S2 का क्या मतलब है? S2 means it is the sum of the two terms. Which two terms? A1 and A2. So A1 and A2 is 2 plus 4Q, right? So what is A1? A1 is P plus Q. So put the value of A1 here. It's P plus Q plus A2. तो यहां से हमें A2 का पता लग जाएगा. A2 find करेंगे. So how to find A2 here? So A2 in this case is
P plus 2Q.
2P minus P is P and 4Q minus it's 3Q.
3Q.
Yes. So you know how to find out the common difference. What is the common difference is A2 minus A1. अब हमारे पास A2 भी है और A1 भी है. So now let us find out the common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is P plus 3Q and A1 is P plus Q. So P cancel, it become 2Q. So 2Q is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next question. Look at this question 9. The sum of the n terms of the two arithmetic progression are in the ratio. Find the ratio of their 18th term. So let me write the given data. So sum of two APs, arithmetic progression. दो arithmetic progression है Sn and suppose it is Sn dash. The sum is given Sn plus 4 and it is given 9n plus 6. So what is the formula for Sn? Let us put the formula here. And what we need to find here? We need to find out the A18 upon A18 dash. So I'm using the dash for the second AP, right? So this thing we need to find. So Sn is, let us put the value n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon. So it's n by 2, 2a dash. I am using a dash for this. n यहाँ पे nth term का ही है and for this I am using d dash, right? So if you look at this, n by 2 cancel this, then it's equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now if you look at this here, what is the meaning of this A18? A18 का मतलब है A plus 17D and A18 का मतलब है यहाँ पे A dash plus 17D dash, right? A dash D dash I am using for the second AP. अब यहाँ पे जो एक्सप्रेशन मिला है मुझे 2A मिला है और मुझे यहाँ पे A लाना है. So I need to take these two common from here. तो मैं 2 कॉमन लूंगा तो यहाँ पे मुझे 17 लाना है. I need 17 here and it's written n minus 1. So n को क्या रखूं मैं यहाँ पे? If I, ये मुझे टोटल 34 चाहिए मुझे क्योंकि I need to take 2 also common. So what I need to put n here? If I need n minus 1, 34. Anyone?
35.
Yes, put n is equal to 35. So what happened here? Look at this. So it become 2a. It become 34d. In the denominator, it become 2a dash and it become 34d dash. Right? And on this side also n की जगह पे हम लोग put करेंगे 9 plus 6 and at the place of n what we need to put here 35 on this side also. So I replaced n with 35 on both the sides. So after that what will happen? So I can take 2 common easily from here. It's become 17d and I can take 2 common from here. It become a dash plus 17d dash. So these two cancel these two. So what I need, I obtained that thing. So now let us multiply this 35 into 5. 174 plus 5, 179 and 35 into 9.
315.
315 plus 6, 321. So this is the answer in this case. So it is equal to A18 upon A18 dash. I hope this question is clear to you.